guys, solving this Rubik's Cube. I don't know in how many seconds I can do it, but I don't know, but I can only solve that Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna use my timer and wait, let me do one thing. No, sorry. Yeah. So I will start with stopwatch. So once I'm done by doing this, so guys, I'm not cheating. I'm not cheating. I just seriously want to solve the Rubik's Cube for you guys, okay? For you guys only. And if I solve it, please cheer for me. Or just kidding, that's that. But if you want to just cheer or like, make sure to get. I wish I can get 11 likes. Yeah. Let me take it. Yeah, start. Whoa. Wow. Can't believe. Can I put some oils in it and to make it much more, smoother? Make it smooth and I can be very fast. And I think that was one of the ideas that do it, and not one of my idea. One of the people idea. I don't know who did, but I don't care what I call it. Come on, 41. Come on. Oh, I wish. I'll wait for 59. I wait for 50 something. Please. Maybe. No. You gotta be kidding me, bro. 1 minute and 6 seconds. That's my hard score. I think it's bad. But at least I scored this. Sorry guys, I didn't actually solve the Rubik's Cube. I didn't solve it in so many seconds. As you guys can see. There. I'm sorry guys so much. Yeah, I think I make a fail. But sure, I'm gonna do it again. What's that? Let's grab up this Rubik's Cube. Okay. Let's do the same scramble. Make sure I must be very fast. Yeah. I appreciate that. I wish. That's my wish. Well, it might be slower because sometimes I get messed up. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry you guys so much about that. I wish it must be faster than I think. My latest score was like 1 minute and 17 seconds. That's my latest score, and oh gosh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh. Sorry guys. 1 minute 9 seconds. I got worse. And what the hell? Fine. But you want to learn it? Please comment down below. Subscribe for more uploads video. I know it's not 9 seconds, but it's late. Stop it. The time is like 1 minute, 10 seconds. I'm sorry guys so much. But please. I saw less comments. I didn't know why, but yeah. So thanks for watching this video. Bye. Bye bye. say bye-bye. Just kidding. Bye.